In a quiet suburb, Nemo the cat lived with the Thompson family, who were always too busy to notice their pet's adventures. Behind their house lay an enchanting forest, rich with secrets and whispers of an ancient mystery. One lazy afternoon, Nemo, driven by his insatiable curiosity, wandered deeper into the woods than ever before. As the shadows grew taller, he stumbled upon something extraordinary, a small city bustling with the cheerful activity of intelligent mice. This wasn't an ordinary community of mice. They built intricate homes from twigs and leaves and had a society that worked with surprising harmony and sophistication. Mesmerized by this discovery, Nemo spent hours observing them, hidden behind a large oak tree. He learned that the mice, led by Mayor Whiskers, lived in constant fear of the hungry forest cats, who often plagued their city. Feeling a strange connection and a sense of responsibility towards these tiny creatures, Nemo made a decision that would change their lives. He approached the city cautiously, and after much trepidation, the mice accepted his presence. Mayor Whiskers, with his gray fur and wise eyes, was the first to trust the towering feline. Nemo quickly became the protector of the city of mice. His mere presence scared away the forest cats, who would rather hunt easier prey than face a determined guardian. Word spread throughout the forest that a brave cat had taken up residence in the city. It wasn't long before the mice began to trust Nemo entirely. They even built a small wood and leaf statue in his honor, placing it in the town square as a symbol of their gratitude. As the days turned into months, Nemo and the mice formed an unbreakable bond.